In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock WhatsApp on an iPhone and on an Android without installing any third-party apps. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And on an iPhone, first off, we need to open up WhatsApp. Then tap right here to head over to Settings. After that, tap at Privacy. And then scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find Screen Lock. Once you get into Screen Lock, that's where you can configure if you would like to lock your WhatsApp app with Face ID. When this option is enabled, we can enable it just by turning it on. It will require Face ID to unlock WhatsApp app. It will look like that. When you open up the app, it says WhatsApp app locked. And then we can use our face to unlock it. Even if someone will try to close the app, right here at that preview window, it already says that WhatsApp app is locked. However, we can easily open it up or unlock it using our Face ID. On an Android phone, the process is slightly different, and first off, we need to open our WhatsApp app as well. After that, tap right here at three dots and then get into Settings. On Settings, tap at Privacy and then scroll down until you find Fingerprint Lock. On an Android device, for some reason, we can lock the WhatsApp just with our fingerprint. To configure it, get into it, and that's where we can, in the same way, activate fingerprint lock by toggling on that switcher. Then we need to confirm that it's us by pressing with our finger right here. And after that, we can also configure automatically lock feature. We can set it to immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes. I recommend you to set it to immediately. If you would like to hide WhatsApp Messenger content in notifications, also you can turn off that switcher. And then to open up WhatsApp, we'll be asked to use our fingerprint. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.